What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today I'm bringing you guys another 30-day challenge. I'm going to be bringing you guys the 30-day Hairfinity Vitamins challenge. I'm going to be taking these for the next 30 days to see how much growth and length I get in my hair and if I see any changes or anything. Previously I did do a video for Hairfinity where I was trying out their hair care products. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I will be leaving a card up above and the link in the description for you guys to go check that out. But I'm actually excited because Brock Beauty does have a Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care Healthy Hair Vitamins. There's 60 capsules in this particular bottle. I will be leaving links in the description below if you guys are interested in reading more about these vitamins and how much the cost is and all of that. So for the next 30 days I'm going to be taking 2 capsules daily, and I have to take it with food. I'm just going to be documenting my growth. This is my hair currently. I'm going to show you guys a close-up shot and everything. We're going to measure my hair on day 1 as well. So right now I don't know how long it is. I'm going to have Tony help me measure my hair. I do currently have new growth, and I want to wait till I do my roots till after the 30 days just because I don't want to do my roots and then take these and then have too much growth too soon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it with these roots and just go ahead and grow out my hair with these. I am gonna do a 60-day challenge for these as well. But for the first 30 days I just want to take them alone, and then after the 30 days I will be implementing the volume builder capsules, and there's 30 pills in here as well, or 30 capsules in here. So I would take 2 of these and 1 of these on day 31. But for the first 30 days we're just gonna stick to just the vitamins by themselves, and we're just gonna see if it does anything for my hair, if I get extra growth than I already have. I believe the last time I did my hair was probably like in November, beginning of November. So this is 2 months and a half worth of new growth. I will go ahead and show you guys what my before is close up now with a ruler or measuring tape next to my hair in order to get the exact inches of where I'm starting at. Just stay tuned. I'm going to vlog it as I go and show you guys if I see anything different, or if I'm feeling any different, or how I actually feel about these pills or these vitamins. And of course, if you guys are not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, click that thumbs up, and leave your comments below if you have already tried these or not. So just stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this journey, and let's go ahead and get this long hair. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna show you what my hair currently looks like on day 1 without stretching out any of my curls. This is just what it looks like when it just lays flat normally. I'm gonna have Tony help me with this measuring tape. For him, he says the last strand ends at 25 when it's stretched, but for me it looks like more that all my hair grouped up, it's pretty much at 20 inches, and then stretched out I would say it's between 20 and 22 inches as far as like my length. But this is pretty much what we're starting off at for day 1, and we'll just go ahead and document and see where we go. Hey, what's up, you guys? So we are on day 5 of my Hairfinity hair vitamins update, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with my hair. As I started these pills, I was kind of like iffy about it just because in the shower I was noticing a lot more shedding and stuff, which was kind of weird. Like my hair was feeling a little dry and brittle, but I don't know if this because of the weather or because of these vitamins. I did look online to see if there was other reviews talking about it, and they did say that shedding was normal when taking these pills just because those dead hairs are falling out. And if you guys didn't know, I did dye my hair, bleached my hair blonde a few months ago. There's a lot of factors, but so far, like the Hairfinity vitamins, I have been noticing hair growth. Not so much in my face or anything. I did, my roots do look a little, you know, a little bit more but I mean overall it's okay. I'm just trying to see like how it goes. I just want my hair not to feel as brittle. Really, it just feels brittle and dry when I wash it. Like it just feels like my hair is not soaking in all the conditioner. I'm probably gonna have to try to steam my hair and deep condition it and see if that'll help. Other than that, I haven't had any problems with acne or anything. I know that's another concern some people had. I didn't have any acne breakouts that was unnormal to me, because usually, I mean, I already have acne breakouts, but I didn't have anything that was excessive while taking these pills. But you guys, like I said, I will be continuing to take this for the rest of the month, and then I will give you guys another update in a few more days, so stay tuned. For those of you who are curious as to what these pills look like, They're pretty much like these little capsule things. You have to take 2 of these daily. They're not too big to swallow. I haven't had any problems as far as like flavor wise, if I like them or not, but I mean, they're pretty decent so far. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Just make sure you drink plenty of water and eat breakfast when you take this. Let me see what it said. Yeah, adults take 2 capsules daily as a dietary supplement, take with food. So yeah, be sure to take it with food, because if not, you could get nauseous and just not feel good taking these. So be sure to drink water and eat food while taking these vitamins. All right guys, so we are on day 15 of my Hairfinity hair vitamins challenge. And I know I said I was going to give you guys updates every 5 days, but I just feel like with hair growth, there's not much you can document in that short amount of time. So I just wanted to spread it out a little bit. But here we are on day 15, and I have good news. No more shedding. So I guess the shedding thing, it kind of stopped within the first week. Because when I told you when I was shedding a lot. Like in the shower, it was a lot of hair just falling. Which is natural with curly hair. Like curly hair, as you wash it, always does have shedding pretty much every time you shower. Not as much though. But when I first started taking these vitamins, I did notice a lot of shedding in the shower. But good news is that's over. My hair is no longer feeling brittle or anything like that, especially when I wash it with conditioner or anything. So that's good. As far as like hair growth, it is growing my hair. I'm definitely seeing that. Even my nails, like right now I have acrylics on, but like underneath it, like I can see my nails growing really fast, which is good as well, because it does have biotin in the hair vitamins, the Hairfinity vitamins, so that's good as well. Other updates, still no acne, so that's good. Still no acne problem. As far as like body growth, hair growth, still none of that either, so that's really good as well. So I mean, the main thing is that there's no more shedding and there's no more brittle hair. That was my main concern with taking these vitamins. Like I was scared like it was just not going to work for my hair. But I'm realizing that with Hairfinity hair vitamins, one thing that they do is that the vitamins actually start within and then they go outward. I'm just looking forward to seeing my hair get thicker, because I feel like I see the growth and I'm trying to look for the thickness. So hopefully by the time we get to day 30, I can see a difference in that little area. But as of now, I am loving these vitamins. I'm seeing a lot more with these compared to the Nature's Bounty vitamins, which I did do a review on as well, which is on my channel. I will leave a card up above. With the Nature's Bounty vitamins, I did notice that those were much faster with nail growth. As far as like hair growth, Hairfinity is killing the game right now. That's real talk. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much what I got for you guys on day 15. I don't think I'm going to get back with you guys on day 20. I'll probably get back with you guys on day 25, and then we'll get back the final results on day 30. So see y'all then. Hey, what's up, you guys? So we made it to day 25 of this Hairfinity hair vitamins challenge. And you guys, like, my results are crazy thus far. Like, look at how much new growth. Like, you guys, I know in the beginning y'all saw it was just probably like this much new growth. Now it's like double the amount in just a month almost. Like, there's 5 days left. Of course, there's gonna be a little bit of growth here and there from then till now, but not too much, I don't think. It hasn't even been a full 30 days and it's already like this. Like, I am super happy with the results so far. Like, even like the thickness of my curls and everything is looking awesome. Like, I'm loving these pills so far. So much better than Nature's Bounty as far as like hair growth. For hair growth, I'm definitely giving it to Hairfinity, and then for nail growth, Nature's Bounty got that. But next month I'm going to be adding the volume builder, which are amino acid boosters, which is supposed to help with volume and with thin hair. So it's supposed to help make it thicker. It's just like a little booster, and they have several different types of boosters on the Hairfinity website, so I will be leaving links in the description for all of those as well. With just the regular hair vitamins by themselves, I want to just continue taking these. Like, I want to see where my hair grows in a year. It hasn't even been a full 3 months yet. It's just a month, and like my hair, like, I don't even know how I'm gonna keep up this blonde if my hair keeps growing like this with Hairfinity, because I'm gonna have to get my roots done like legit every few weeks. And bleaching, I don't know, like, I'm really excited to see like the whole journey with Hairfinity, like how bleaching my hair is gonna be, and like just using the pills, and with my curly hair, there's a lot going on with my hair. In addition, I also use their amino mask, which I did do a video as well. They have hair products as well, like conditioners, leave-in conditioners. I love their leave-in conditioner. Like, that leave-in conditioner is one of my new holy grails. I'm super excited. Like, this is so freaking cool. Hey, what's good, you guys? So we made it to day 30 of my Hairfinity hair vitamins journey, and you guys, I'm so excited to show you guys the results. So far, as y'all can see, like, this is what my hair is currently looking like on day 30 of the Hairfinity hair vitamins 30-day update for you guys. And you guys, like, look at these roots. These roots have been growing like crazy, you guys, and I can't even believe it. If you guys remember from the first day, my roots, they were grown out, but they weren't as grown out as they are right now. And it's just crazy to see how far these Hairfinity vitamins have gone. And if you guys don't remember, I did tell you guys that I will be doing a second month update with you guys, and what I'm going to be including is these volume builder vitamins as well, in addition to the Hairfinity. So if you go to the Hairfinity Brock Beauty website, you will see that they have several different types of these additional vitamins, and they do say that it is safe to use all of the other vitamins as well, along with these Hairfinity vitamins, just to help, you know, boost your hair and help boost, get that nutrients into your hair. I want to go ahead and show you guys the before and after from day 1 to today. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I look like on day 1. This is what my hair was at. This is where my length was at. You guys, I had a little bit of roots, but it wasn't as much as I do now. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what my hair looked like on day 30, which is today. As you can see, there has been some growth. I would say about at least 2 inches of new growth since I've been taking the Hairfinity vitamins. And you guys, there has been a lot of difference. Like, my hair is growing with these pills. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions for me, please be sure to leave it in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer those questions for you. If you guys have tried the Hairfinity hair care line, I am definitely interested in hearing you guys' thoughts. Did you like it? What were your pros, your cons? Are you still taking them? Were they too expensive in your opinion? All of that I'm definitely interested in hearing. Please leave that in the comment section below. And you guys, be sure to also answer my poll up above. Let me know if you guys see a difference in my hair, if you feel like my hair did get longer or not compared to now. And I am going to show you guys a clip from, you know, me talking now till then, like how long my hair has grown since then. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I meant to ask you guys, do you guys want to see my hair? I need to do my roots again, but I wasn't sure if I should wait to do the second month after I got my roots done, or if I should just continue. Right now I'm feeling like I'm just going to continue, because the way setting up an appointment is going to take a few days. So I mean, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, peace.